Without further ado, let's get started with the consumer credit. What is consumer credit? Consumer credit is a system that allows consumers to borrow money and incur debt and to defer repayment of that money over the time. Other than that, consumer credit have their own advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are consumer can enjoy goods and services. They are convenience rather than bringing cash and go out, and increase consumer credit score and keep record of their expenses. Meanwhile, the disadvantages of consumer credit as they have interest payment and penalty, temptation to overspend, reduce future buying power, and overuse of the credit can lead to a poor credit. Next, we have two types of consumer credit, which is open account credit and loans.
So open account credit is a credit given to a customer in advance of a purchase. Credit limit allows customer to buy or to borrow up to a certain limit, and also interest can be avoided by paying the balance in full as soon as possible. So there are four types of open account credit. The first one is credit card, the second one is charge card, the third one is retail charge card, and lastly is revolving credit line or also overdraft. So credit card is a payment card that is issued to users to allow them to pay a merchant for products and services depending on their debt. Examples are MasterCard and also Visa. A charge card is an electronic payment card that does not charge interest but demands full payment of the statement balance. Example is American Express. While a retail charge card is the one that gives you points for spending money in any stores, for example Aeon. Lastly, a revolving credit line is a sort of payment that does not have a set amount of payments.
We move to the loan. Loan is an exchange for future repayment of the principal and interest. Get money from friends, banks, or financial institutions. There are three types of loan, which are personal loan, car loan, and education loan. Firstly, personal loan. People may use to pay for home renovation, arrange their dream weddings, and others. Secondly, car loan. Borrowers take this loan to fund the purchase of new or used car. Lastly, education loan is sum of money borrowed to cover the cost of education, for example, PTPTN, JPA, and MARA. Investment is an asset purchase with the expectation that will provide income in future. 6 types of investment are saving account, fixed deposit, shares, bonds, real properties, and unit trusts. Besides that, the factors to consider before investing are budget, risk, and return of investment. Next, the importance of investment can increase saving if an investment plan is created. Secondly, a stronger understanding of finance. People must learn to understand finance. Lastly, achieve financial objectives. Get a clear decision and application of knowledge.
We are going into the retirement planning and pension planning. Retirement planning is about the process, the action, and choices essential for setting a retirement income objective. Planning is important to an individual to live a comfortable standard of living during their retirement and to determine the level of income needed by them. There are 5 keys of retirement planning, which is the first one, you need to understand your time horizon. Second one is determine spending needs. The third one is calculate after-tax return rate. The fourth one is assess the risk tolerance. And the last one is stay on top of estate planning. Now, let's move into the pension planning. Pension planning is intended to provide financial security for retired government employees who opt for the pension scheme. The objective of the pension planning is to acknowledge and appreciate their excellent service. The second one is as a bondage for personnel to retain their service with the government. Next is to provide life subsistence for personnel who have passed away during their service. The last one is to develop a form of compensation scheme for personnel who are required to retire due to injuries and exposure to harm.
The meaning of Provident Fund is a retirement fund run by the government. But for the pension fund, it's a retirement plan which an employer and often the employees make contribution into the pool of funds set aside for the workers' future benefit. The example of provident funds, which are Employees Provident Fund (EPF) and Social Security Organization (SOSO). EPF is a national social security organization operating through a provident fund and is provide the retirement benefit for the members by managing the member savings. SOSO or Pertubuhan Keselamatan Pekeso was set up The social security protection by social insurance include medical and cash benefit.
So now we'll be moving on to estate planning. So what is estate? Estate is all property that legally belongs to a deceased that have values, either property assets, rights or interests. So what is estate planning? Estate planning is a definite plan for the administration and disposition of the one's property during the one's lifetime at one's death. So why estate planning? Because if you are married, you can include your spouse or your children in the estate planning process. But if you are unmarried, make sure that the beneficiaries have information about your estate that they will need. And also new lifestyle means that different challenges, which means that you have to plan early and also get expert help. So the importance of estate planning is that it speed up your distribution process. It also protect your assets and also your loved ones. You can also appointing guardian for your children and also appointing a trustee or executor.
A will is a document in writing that states a person's intention as to how his or her estate to be distributed after death. The concept of a will involves three parties, which are testator, executor, and beneficiaries. Testator is the person who makes the will, while the executor is the person who distributes the estate. And the person that will inherit the estate are the beneficiaries. A will can be revoked by certain factors, which are marriage, destruction of the will by the testator, letter will, and also conversion to Islam. Next, we move to Faraid. Faraid is a section of the Islamic law that deals with the distribution of the estate of a deceased person among his heirs in accordance with Allah's decree in the Holy Quran and according to the Hadith or Sunnah. Under Faraid, the heirs to a Muslim estate are divided into three groups, which are first, the Quranic heirs, second, the agnatic heirs, and the last one is Baitul Mal. Next, there are three causes of inheritance under Faraid, which are nikah, wala, and also nasab. And this is the entitlement in Faraid. A Muslim is only allowed to give away not more than 1/3 of his estate in a will. If more than 1/3 of the estate must have consent from all the deceased heirs.
Financial planning is the ongoing saving strategy for the future. This future financial planning can be used for future objectives such as retirement and emergency. So before we go further about financial planning, there are signs that your finances are in trouble. So first, spend more than income. So if a person has spent more than what they earn, it can be a big problem financially. This is the sign that people need to spend less and solve their debt first. With this financial start, it can make small change to the finance. Second is, if someone use a credit card as their living expenses, these signs show that people need to stop using the credit card and save more money. If they use credit card for paying utility bills and buy groceries, this will make them add more debt and become a problem. They need to budget their spending money and save every month to make sure they have emergency money, and they need to avoid using credit card. And lastly, when your finance can affect your health, it assigns that your finances are in trouble. This financial issue can cause someone to have stress, not enough sleep, anxiety, have a conflict with a partner or family, shame to show the debts, and many more. These signs need someone to learn how to budget their money or get a professional consultant for the financial, or just ask help from someone else you trust.
There are 5 problems and ways to overcome financial. The first problem is monthly spending exceed income, which the ways is consider to getting a second job and try to work overtime. The second problem is for the hospital medical care, which the ways is some hospitals will reduce the amount in order to get payment. The third problem is new baby bring unexpected costs, so parents have to look their budget carefully. The next problem is carry a credit card. You must evaluate your budget carefully. Last but not least, student loan debt limit their financial capabilities, which the ways is increase their payment for the debt for faster settle their debt.
These future financial are important because person can manage income, generate a pension fund, protect family future, add more asset, fulfill dream, and achieve long-term goal. So I will brief shortly. First, if someone can manage income, they know what they need and what they need. For second point, if retired, they happy retirement and become wealth. Next, they can buy insurance for family protection, and when emergency situation, they can use. If they have a dream to travel with family or friend, they can use it without any problem. And last, they can achieve long-term goal like getting house, car, or anything they want to obtain. I think that's all from us. Thank you.